Okay, so good day everyone. My name is Marian Joy Fenisa, and I will be tackling about the story The Blue Hotel by Stephen Crane. Now, The Blue Hotel was published in 1898 during a period of significant social, cultural, and economic change in the United States. The US was rapidly transitioning from an agrarian economy to an industrialized one, with many people moving to cities for work. So when we talk about the time this Blue Hotel was published, if you have encountered maybe in a televisions or something, there are certain times, certain period in America wherein trains are actually very um, very prevalent. Ito mga train pa ba, uso ang train. That was the time, okay? Muna ang setting sa Blue Hotel. Okay? With regards to the setting when the Blue Hotel story is actually published, the same goes with regards to the setting of the story itself. The Blue Hotel was located somewhere nearby the train station. Okay, we have here the summary. First, there are travelers that went to the Blue Hotel for a stay. Okay, these travelers tulo na sila kabuok, and they just got down from the train, and they were scouted by Mr. Pat Scully. Yeah. Mr. Pat. Okay? He was someone of Blue Hotel bitaw who's recruiting customers. Ano siya. Then he was able to actually scout three people, muna siya travelers. One is the cowboy, number two is the Easterner, and the three is a Swede. Maybe it's actually Sweden, pero Sweden ang tawag nila, I don't know. Yeah. They were able to stay in the hotel, Blue Hotel. Then Johnny is also one of the people in Blue Hotel. Johnny asked these men to play cards when these men was pertaining to is the travelers. Those three travelers were asked by Johnny to actually play with cards. And then they played together since na may blizzard that's common in the area. Then at that part Swede want to leave the hotel out of fear. Swede is actually very timid. He have a he was mostly scared, afraid of most of the time in the story. Yeah. He kept on saying that he will die tonight and that he had to leave. Yung anak. So, he decided na mag-pack na lang sa iyang luggage in order to leave. Kaya di siya ganahan mamatay sa'yo. But, Pat Scully, the one who scouted them, forced him to stop. Kaya na blizzard sa gawas. So, with no choice, Swede has to stay at the hotel. Next, a fight broke out after playing another round. Meaning, after Swede actually went back inside the hotel, Johnny asked another round to play with cards. Yeah, Swede, unable to contain the cheating bita because Johnny is actually a cheater when it comes to play cards. So, Swede revealed that Johnny is cheating. And Johnny cannot actually accept the fact that someone noticed it. When in fact, all of them noticed that Johnny is cheating, but no one actually told. No one blurted that out. But the moment Swede mentioned it, a fight broke out. And this made Swede's behavior quite violent. Moto. And that time, after they broke out, si Swede, he finally leave the hotel. Ato siya nagstay sa usa ka beer house. Pero, yeah, wherein His violent behavior affected a lot of people, especially usa ka um usa ka tawo nga hawd ngadto sa bar. Gikulata siya because of his temper, and then after that, he was stabbed by a knife hold, but he was stabbed by a knife. Gikuptan katong hawd-hawd sa bar. So, he died. His predictions eventually became true. Mamatay gid siya tong gabi una. And that the ending. That will be all. And we have here the characters, no? Cowboy, the Easterner, and Swede, si Johnny, si Pat. Okay? Now, as for the themes, fear and paranoia, and then human nature and violence. When we talk about fear and paranoia, that refers to the characteristic of Swede. Nga, sometimes when you think about negative thoughts, turns out mahimog siyang tinuod yun when you keep on thinking about it. So, in order not to make it more, kuan ba, mutuo maguga sa mga gipanghanlokan. So, we should not believe what the things that we did not see yet. Yan na siya. Kay sometimes, the things that we believe to exist, even though we haven't seen them, sometimes turns out to be true. May tabog yun. Will happen. So, stop with the fear and paranoia. Okay? Do not assume that everything may nga na negative thoughts. Then, the human nature and violence. This refers gihapon. The same goes with characteristics of Sweetie as well as ni Johnny. Because, aside from the fact that Sweetie is actually a paranoid, he also had a violent tendency, di ba? Hadlok siya. Dito, hilig po dito siya manong away. So, at the end of the day, his violent behavior ended him in the afterlife. So, do not be violent with other people. As much as possible, maintain your peace. And that will be the end of my report about the Blue Hotel. That will be all. Thank you.